You can set which applications you want to launch automatically every time you start up your Mac. Go to System References. To the Users and Groups category. Select the name for the account that you want to work with, then click the Login Items tab. This list shows all of the applications that launch automatically when you sign in. You can remove items from this list so they do not launch when you start up your Mac. Just select an application on the list and click the minus button. Just be careful if you use a cloud storage tool like OneDrive, Dropbox, or Google Drive, those must launch at start to keep your files synchronized. I recommend you do not remove applications like those from the list. If there is a different application that you do want to launch every time you start up your Mac, you can click the plus button. From your Applications folder, choose the application that you want and click Add. Now that application will launch every time you start up your Mac and sign in to this user account.